So, welcome to another video. What happened in the last couple of weeks or month?
Today we have the happy task
What the fuck?
to change the water pump, as you can see here.
We wanted to drive with the Nissan Cube a road trip like 2,000 to 4,000 kilometers from Germany to Spain, and that's why I brought it to a genuine Nissan dealer in Germany. And it should change all liquids like braking fluid, clutch fluid, and everything what's fluid. So after changing the coolant, they give me a call and said, hey, everything is done, you can get it back, but your water pump is leaking or broken, we don't know. And then I asked if they can change it as well, and they said no, we have to order the part, and we don't have an appointment right now, so this can take a longer time, and I only had 5 days, I think. So the only possibility was to change the water pump by myself, and this is this video. So have fun and hopefully see you in the next one.
And we want to drive into the holiday with Cube-san, but that's a very, very bad timing. So at first I will remove this panel and see what the problem is.
Die sollen letztens offen. These.
People said these were opened yesterday. Cannot believe it.
Das kann überhaupt nicht sein. Never. What the fuck? Wow. Awesome mechanic was here.
Ui, oh, nicht gut. Nicht gut. Nicht gut. Not good, not good. Not good.
Do you see?
The elevating cube.
So I used my self-made ramp on this side and 2 jacks on this side. Now we will remove the wheel arch trim, and this one to catch the coolant. Everything is better with D&B. So here's the screw, and then everything is loose. This is one with HR16, so it's like engine in the Renault. So to open the water pump pulley, just put a piece of metal between these two, then you can open this one, and this is your counterpart. Do this with all 3 screws, and then you can gently open it
Next thing is to get the tension out of the belt. Remove this one, remove the water pump, and at first, of course, drain the coolant. So the tensioner is loose. You can open this screw from the tension pulley and of course take the tension with the screw at the front of the engine bay. And now you only need to, okay, it's hard with the light. So put this off. And here is our needed pulley of the So to make everything easier, I removed the tensioner pulley and of course the water pump pulley. Now I can open and put something here about the crankshaft pulley, and now as you can see I can right direction here easily open the water pump screws. This one, the second, so the top one here, and of course the last one there, and remove the water pump. This is the HR16 water pump, which was installed. And this one is the Continental water pump. And I think it's really the same. So everything back inside and done. Doesn't look so bad. Just remove this old black sealant, and I think here was the problem at the top. So the new one is already inside. Now making here 20 Newton meter. Yeah, like this above, and here is the radiator sealing. So hopefully everything works.
So Spain is done. Spain was great. Cube did a nice job, and this was the reason for this video. So have fun and hopefully see you in the next one with a better topic.